To make chapati bread by the use of whole wheat flour. For the ingredients, we need 710 gram whole wheat flour, 5 gram of sugar, 10 gram of salt, 30 ml of olive oil, and 500 ml of water. For the procedure, just mix all together all the ingredients until incorporated and knead the dough until it becomes smooth texture. Now the dough is ready, just rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can divide now the dough to get the uniform in size. After dividing the dough, now you can flatten the dough by the use of the rolling pin in circular shape. Sprinkle it with a little flour when you are stacking so that it will not stick together. This is the size of 50 gram, as you can see. We can start cooking now the chapati with iron skillet. And put now the chapati, and then you can see if it is okay now and cooked. If it is, the bubbles coming in the other side, and then you have to turn it in the another side. This is how it looks when it is about to cook. Now I think it's ready. You know guys, this bread is a very healthy bread because we use a whole wheat flour. Guys, this is very easy to make. You don't need oven to make this one, and you can make it every breakfast if you want to eat this one. This bread is very popular in India and of course also here in UAE. Usually eating this one together with the curry and beef stew, and some are using also this one as a wrapper for the shawarma and egg roll. It's like a sandwich. Okay, you just roll it like this and you will make a filling inside. Guys, like and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me in Instagram and Facebook page. And again, this is Chef Deborah. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy cooking with me.